What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Young Sha, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to replace textures on a model and replace textures in-game. I have made a written version for you to look at and read on your own, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do the written version with you. So let's get into this. Step 1. Getting the restless texture in model. Open Ultra ISO and select your ISO. Get the wrestler's pack ID located in the USDIR, ZPack, ZCH1, 2, or 3. For this case, I'm going to get Randy Orton's pack file. Also, make sure that you make a folder for the wrestler. His pack is already in there, but I'm going to just save it just to do it with you. Okay. Now open Xpacker 10. Select File, Open, PS2, PSP Wrestler Pack. Once you have opened the Wrestler's Pack file, now decompress 09. In some cases, the files are already decompressed. Once you decompress it, just inject the 09 pack file, alright? Now you will see a list of everything. Click Extract All and make sure you extract them to the folder you got your pack file from. Look for the folder, click it, click OK. Alright? Next, you will need to get the wrestler's YOBJ model file. This time, you're going to decompress the O2 file into the same folder your pack file is in. Sometimes the pack file is already decompressed, so just extract it. Now open Puyo Tools. Go to Images, Decoder, select Directory, in the folder where you placed the textures. Yes, convert. Now open the YOBJ file tool. Change the type from PS2 to PSP. Click Open. Go to the folder that your YOBJ file is in. Click Export All as One OBJ into Gem Converted. Now open Noasis. Go to Desktop and look for your folder. Click this right here, Gem Converted, double click the OBJ file and you will see a wrestler. Now replacing the textures and compressing them. You can either use paint.net, I left every tool in this folder I'm gonna drop in the video, okay? Now open the default PNG texture in paint.net or your personal texture editing app. It doesn't really matter. Okay? Paste the new texture you have made over the default PNG, alright? So you're gonna go to your folder, gem converted, open the face or whatever body part, copy the texture, paste it. It doesn't matter what you do. You could either save it and overwrite it or just paste it. This is the paste method. I'm going to show you the overwriting method as well. This is the pasting method. Okay? Now this is the overwriting method. In this case, I'm going to use the overwriting method. No, I'm going to use the pasting method, actually. Do the same process for every texture. Alright? I mean, you could do it on your end. I'm not going to like make the video longer. Just do the same pasting method or overwriting method. It doesn't matter. Just do it for every part. It's up to you how you want your model to look. But this is how it would look. Okay? Face over. Alright? Make a folder named HD and copy your new textures in it. Alright? So the textures in here. Hold on. I gotta go back. So the textures in here, select all of them except for bandage, blood, blood B. Okay? Except all of these. Select all of these. Click copy. Go to your regular folder. Click new. Make a folder called HD. Alright? Okay. Now paste the textures in there. There you go. You now pasted it there. Go to this site right here. It's already in there. I'm gonna just paste it anyway. Select image. Gem converted, yup. CTRL-A. Select every texture except for these. Click open. Alright? Select the option, highlight all the textures. Once the texture appears, drag the compression level slider to 100. Click compress. Okay? Make sure every compressed texture is under 10 KB. If not, then resize every texture to 75 times 75. See, this is where the resizing method comes to use. If you overwrite the regular texture, the KB size is going to be very high. So you should make sure you resize it. And keep the overwritten textures in the HD folder because you're going to use those textures to replace the textures in game, okay? Hopefully you understand what I'm saying, right? Okay. Now save and overwrite the textures in the gem converted folder like this. Or, yeah, in the gem converted folder, yeah. You see how it says Zone? Just click this and click save. Overwrite everything. Do the same process for every texture. I'm gonna do it for the face as well. Yes. Alright. Okay. Converting the PNG files to gem and making an 09 pack file. Now go to gem converter. Okay, you see this right here. Now highlight. Whoa, I'm bugging. Select all of your PNG textures except blood and blood B and bandage. It doesn't matter. Just select all of these right here. Now drag them into gemconv.exe. Okay? You can delete these if you want. Alright? Now highlight your gem file. Wait, I'm bugging. Next, open Xpacker 10. And select File, New, Texture Archive, select Textures, Gem Converted, and select all of your gem files. Click Open, Create New Texture Archive, 09. Alright. Now click Inject 09 into it. Now click Extract All, Randy Orton, click OK. Now overwrite every single pack file. Now click File, New, Texture Archive, select Textures, Randy Orton or your character. Now select every single pack file except 09. Select the bandage, the blood, everything. Whoa, this has a lot of space. Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. Alright. This is a little mistake. It's not gonna happen to you, it happened to me. Because I wasn't cautious enough. Make sure every pack file is under 9 KB. If it is not under 9 KB, then your game will crash, okay? Just for instance, I'm gonna just do it like how y'all would do it, alright? Click Open. Click Create Texture Archive. Name it 09. Click OK. Next, inject the 09. Now you should be good. Everything is in there. Now, make sure that your textures don't reach over 9 kilobytes for the pack files. If it is under 9 kilobytes, you're fine. If it is exactly at 9 kilobytes, you have a chance of it not crashing your game. I just made sure that it's under 9 kilobytes. This is why you need to compress your textures to the full extent. I didn't even download the compressed textures. That's why the file was so much. Just make sure you download all of these so it will work in game, alright? Okay. Now, okay, let's see what's next. Okay. Now we apply the HD textures in game, blah, 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 blah. So make sure that when you're done, inject the pack file in game, alright? Okay. Now, if you don't know how to do that, I'm pretty sure y'all know how to do that. I have a video on how to inject models in game. So now we're just gonna apply the HD textures. I'm gonna just do it like with a random person, if it applies to you as well. It works the same way, alright? I'm gonna just do it with let's see. I'm gonna just do it with yeah, I'm gonna do it with Randy and I'm gonna just remove a texture and then apply a texture, alright? I haven't like changed the model yet. See, I'm gonna show you. I haven't even like changed the model yet, so I'm gonna just like delete one of these textures off and then do the textures method. Okay. Okay. Once you're on the match pose screen, pause the game, go to Settings, Tools, Developer Tools, and check Save New Textures. Alright? Go back to settings, tools, developer tools, then uncheck save new textures, right? Exit out the game. Now go to the new folder. It is located in PPSSPP, PSP textures, ULES 10050 or ULES. ULES is the Europe version and ULUS is the US version. Go to new and you'll see the texture right there. Okay. Yeah, this is an example. Now type 8 zeros under the transparent. It should look like that. You saw it inside the textures on now. Let me just pull it up just in case nobody is paying attention. You'll see it right here. Okay? Put the 8 zeros under this. Okay. Now go back into blah 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 and new. Now right click and click rename. So rename it. Count 8 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And select the remainder. Click copy. Now reopen the textures INI. Now next to those 8 zeros, just paste it. Alright? Paste it. But I'm gonna paste it for Randy Orton's face. Cause I need to put his face back in that shit. Alright, where's right here. Okay? And then put the click space, put the equal sign, put another space. Now type the folder's name. You're gonna make sure you like make a folder in the textures. In the ULES. Make a folder for your character so it won't be scattered. Okay? Type the name of your folder, then click the slash button, then put the name of your texture, .png, okay? Now exit out, click save. Do it for everything. So you won't like take time on each texture. You just gotta make sure that it's there. Now go in game. And it should be there. A very simple tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you did. If you didn't, then I don't know what to tell you. I gave you all the tools. That's it, alright? It's your boy Young Sha, and I'm out. Peace.